Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 24th day of March 2026. And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today. So here we go. The setup is what we pretty much do every day in our trade of the day. We look for our strong candle indicator. That indicator is this little um, pyramid, this little triangle down here underneath this candle saying, go ahead and trade this candle towards the top of the screen. And that's just what we're going to do. So then we have to say, okay, what kind of ATM or targets are we going to be trying to get? So we go over here to the PVI, and I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 110 and 160 ticks in length. So we'll use our long-term target setting. We'll go for 20s, 50s, and 100 again. We'll de-risk the trade after 20s and see how that goes. Now we just need this to retrace a little bit, and we'll bring this. This is a cover order. I usually don't like putting cover orders on when you have such a big wick or tail to the candle. But in this case, we'll just need this to push down 10 or 20 ticks, and then we'll put our order on the body of the candle to go towards the top of the screen. So this is how it all went down in the room today. Now we have to go at regular market speed until our targets are set. Oh, I didn't really push down that much. There we go. Now we'll go. First thing we got to do when we get picked up is to put our stop where it belongs. Now, it's the last major failure point is down here. It's actually a little bit lower than that, but that's all I've got room for right now. We're not going to need it, so don't worry about it. As soon as we get to the 20 tick target, we're going to de-risk the trade by bringing our stop up to minus 18. That way, if the market comes back after paying our first target, it'll be a break-even trade. We'll have paid all of our fees. So this ATM is quite popular. And here we go. Yeah, you can't be too worried. A retrace is pretty natural. I would actually expect this to come back to this brick wall and retrace off of that. But we'll just leave it be. Now that our targets are set, we can speed it up. There we go. Target's out. Now, if this comes back and takes us out of, well, now it's going to be a positive trade no matter what. Sometimes it takes, oh, wow, that ran right through with no problem. That trade took a little more than 2 minutes to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 2 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. Only place you're going to find our strong candle indicator and some other unique indicators to make trading especially easy. So we'll look forward to seeing you next time. God bless you, and we'll see you then.